Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Aziza Sise, and this is a series where I'm answering the commonly asked women's and gynecological health questions.
How can I clean my vagina?
To begin with, the vagina is the muscular canal that connects the womb to the outside. It's part of the internal gynecological anatomy and is commonly confused with the vulva. The vulva is the external part of the gynecological anatomy, which consists of the clitoris, inner and outer labia, and the vestibule, which holds the urethral and vaginal opening. The only aspect of the vagina which you can see from the outside is its opening, and very, very rarely a tiny part of its lower aspect. Now, it's crucial to remember that the vagina is self-cleaning. It has its own naturally balanced environment that is self-maintained. And this balance can be disrupted by the insertion of things into the vagina. And that includes douching, feminine hygiene products, and even water, which can lead to inflammation, infections, and polyps, and so on. It also serves as a means for chemicals within those products to spread to other areas of the internal gynecological anatomy, and this too can lead to harmful consequences. The vagina does not have the smell of fresh flowers, berries, or roses, despite what popular culture encourages. Let it do its job. It's really good at it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn those notifications on. A new video drops every Thursday and Sunday. So if you have any topics that you want me to cover, please let me know in the comments and I'll get to it. Thank you so much for your engagement, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye!